What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to set up Apple Pay here on your iPhone. Okay, so this is the app, it's known as Wallet in here. I'm going to show you how to set it up so you can actually just get to a store or to a place where you wish to pay your bill, such as a restaurant, and simply touch your phone in here at the top to the POS machine or to the vendor machine, and then the NFC of your phone will act as if it's your card. So it's going to simply tap on it and you'll hear a beep that will represent your card being paid, and money will be debited here from your card whenever you touch your phone to the POS machine or vendor. This is very easy and I'm going to show you how to set it up in today's video. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you with tech related tutorials and a lot of tech hacks. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. It really helps me out. Now, jumping straight to today's video in here, for example, I do have this Visa card in here and I'm going to show you how you can link it here with my Apple Pay account. Now, please note that if you have MasterCard, it's going to work as well. Regardless of the type of card you have, if it's a debit or a credit card, it's going to work for you, so you do not need to worry about it. Now, basically, essentially what we need to do is simply link the card with the app. That's how it works. So you can actually start using your phone as the card, okay? This is how it goes. We'll hop into Wallet in here, which is this app. Now, if you're unable to find Wallet in here, you can actually bring down the search bar and simply search for Wallet. This is how it looks like. Now, if you're really unable to find Wallet, you can hop into the App Store and you can manually search for the app in here, because you may be in a situation where that specific app may have vanished or may have been uninstalled. So simply download the app in here, but it's very uncommon for you not to find it because it usually comes built-in installed with your iPhone along with your iCloud, as long as you set up your iCloud account. Now, here we go. Let me hop into Wallet real quick and then let me tap on plus. So you need to tap on plus to add the details of your card. Oops, in my case, I'm facing an error in here which says add cards to wallet. Do not worry if you have the same error as mine. I'm going to also show you how to bypass and how to solve this issue in today's video. For example, if I tap on learn more in here, this will take me to a specific website that talks a lot about stuff related to Apple Pay. What it allows me to do, what it doesn't allow me to do. Pretty much not very useful sort of website in here. Pretty much just giving information which is not exactly what we're searching for, right? So let me quickly close this and I'm going to show you how to fix this. This is because you actually are in a region where Apple Wallet is not supported. Now, this is just the region that you've set on settings. For example, you may be from a region that supports, but your currently phone is set to a different region for a specific reason, such as, for example, to access a specific website or a specific application which has been restricted, right? So if that's the case, no worries, I'm going to show you how to change your region in order to link your card. All we need to do is hop into settings real quick in here, scroll down, tap on general, and then right here you're going to scroll down all the way to a language and region. Once you hop into language and region, you want to tap on region, you want to change your region. In my case, I'm going to change, for example, to United States. Here we go. United States, change to United States, and then it's going to take a few minutes to set up my region. So once this is complete in just 5 to 6 seconds, you'll be good to go. What we're going to do next is we're going to close settings in here, and then we're gonna hop into the wallet app real quick. Where is it? I'm unable to find it. There we go. Tap on wallet and then tap on plus, and this should essentially allow me to add my card now. Boom, there we go. The very first step has been solved quickly for people who were actually trying to link their card but they're facing an issue. Next up from here, we need to proceed with the debit or credit card. But in case you are in a situation where you're still unable to actually open up the wallet app, let's say that you fixed it, you've done that, and you're trying to access it, it's not allowing you, I would recommend you guys to perform a forced restart on your iPhone in order to access your wallet. And I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few seconds. Let me just quickly finish here the tutorial. Let's hop into wallet, tap on plus real quick, tap on debit or credit card, and then in here, all you need to do is tap on continue, and then you need to touch your phone at the back. okay? So all you need to do is touch your card at the back, okay? It has NFC, so all you need to do is simply tap it here at the back, and it's going to scan the NFC and add that card, linking it to your device in here. Next up, you just need to insert the pin to link it. It's going to take you a couple seconds, and in my case, it won't allow me as it doesn't support the card because my card actually has expired. And this is just for showcase purposes in here on how you can actually link your card. If you're facing issues, you can also tap on enter card details manually, and you can simply type in here the card number and then simply tap on continue to add the CVV and the PIN and other details that will allow you to actually start using your card. Now, please note that once you've set up your card successfully, you need to hop into settings in here and then scroll down all the way to Wallet and Apple Pay, and then in here you want to scroll down and tap on Apple Pay defaults, and then you want to make sure you turn on double click side button. This needs to be toggled on in case it's off, because this is what will allow you to pay conveniently. Let's say that you are, for example, at a restaurant. Let me tap on try Apple Pay demo, and you wish to pay. All you need to do is simply double tap here, and then this will open up and launch the Apple Pay app. So you can actually simply tap and pay. This is how it works through NFC using your phone, okay? So try Apple Pay demo, let's say double tap, there we go, it has opened, Face ID, and then hold near the reader and you're good to go. You've already paid for that specific bill. This is how easy it is. So if you don't turn on double click to pay, this will not be so convenient as you'll need to open the app every time you wish to pay. Now, in case you're still unable to add your card, perform a forced restart. And this is how it goes. All you need to do is rapidly tap on volume up and then down and then press and hold the power button. I'm not pressing anymore the volumes. I've just tapped. Now I'm pressing and holding the power button for 6 to 7 seconds until you see the Apple logo in white color on your screen. So once you see the Apple logo on your screen, you're going to release the power button and let your phone turn on normally. There we go, it's now turning on, and in a few seconds I'll be good to go. What this essentially does is a full reboot, and it does not delete any sort of data from my phone. It's just a restart that actually helps your phone running much smoother, especially whenever you've done changes on settings. So once you've done changes on settings, I do recommend you guys to perform a forced restart just to make sure it runs well and new processes are actually updated. I do recommend you guys to perform a forced restart every 10 to 15 days just to ensure that your phone runs smoothly and much faster. So once you've done that, try inserting the card one more time. Simply open up Wallet, or you can also go here from settings, open up settings, scroll down all the way to Wallet and Apple Pay defaults. Okay, not here, but over here you do have add card, and then simply add the debit card and simply sync it, and you'll be good to go using Apple Pay. There are other cards and ID stuff that you can actually link in here, such as, for example, transit card, driver license, and other cards as well. So this is how easily you can actually turn on Apple Pay and start making payments conveniently here without the need of inserting your card. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any questions or doubts so we can discuss further. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.